How to cancel Terabox app subscription. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Terabox app subscription. So you know how you can install and subscribe to Terabox app subscription. For that you just need to go to Google Play Store, search for Terabox and then subscribe it. But now when you want to unsubscribe it, then what you can do is, if you are an Android user, then you can simply go to the Google Play Store. If you are an iOS user, then you can simply go to the App Store. So for Android user, after going on Google Play Store, just tap on your account, which is on the top right side. After that, tap on manage your account. Now tap on payment and subscription. Scroll down and down up until you see the option of subscription. Now tap on manage subscription option. You will see all the subscription of your Google account right here. So if you need to cancel it, just long press on it and then cancel it from here. So this is how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.